Anyways, I'm sober. I make a drink at Jared's room, man. And I'm like, you know, I sit down to like talk to somebody else. Jared says, I'm gonna make the same drink. And I'm like, all right, cool. He makes it. I finish my conversation, a short conversation. I turn around, Jared is wasted. I mean, like, from like, you know, this to like, what's up? Hey, let's go downstairs and hang out. And I'm like, did like an hour pass and I was just not paying attention? And just no, he just magically turns super drunk. He's just like, you know, but anyways, so I'm like, all right, well, let's go hang out. And he's like got these nunchucks, foam covered nunchucks. I'm like, you're drunk, you're way drunk. That's dangerous. And he's like, nah, man, it's cool. It's cool. I'm like, all right, man. And we get outside. And like, you know, one more time, I'm like, are you sure you want to bring those with you? He's like, no. I got a plan. And I'm like, you got a plan?
I got it.
I'm like, what is this plan? And he's like, twirling up stuff all sloppy and drunk. He's like, all right, if this is the plan, I'm gonna twirl my nunchucks around. Girls are gonna be impressed, and then I'm gonna show them my cock and twirl it around too. And I'm like,
that wasn't part of his plan.
And I'm like, that's the best plan ever. Let's go. And this fuck is just like, I don't think that's what I want. I'm like, Venom, when greatness shines its face upon you, you do not speak. You simply carry it along. You were there.
I don't remember disagreeing to the plan.
Oh, you disagreed. And I was like, you are fucking kidding me. You may be dumb, but this is just, this is divine. This is Jesus being like,
decide something because I don't remember it.
like Jesus being like, woo! And you were just like, I'm hot. And you were like, I don't think that's a good idea, man. I was like,
who the fuck did you think he was?
who the fuck do you think this man is? His drill! His soul is the drill that will pierce the heavens.
I mean,